It's always a good time to adopt a new furry friend, and this year kitten season is going even longer than usual. Here to tell us about how you can help is Arizona Humane Society foster manager Carrie Hughes. Welcome, Carrie.
Thank you so much for having all of us on today.
I was going to say, and you brought a couple of special guest stars here with us, so remind me their names.
This is Tater and Tot. They're 6-week-old kittens that came
cute.
in as strays and spent some time in our bottle baby ICU.
Oh, this is so sweet. Okay, so we're going to get to the ICU and the new nursery that you guys have over there. But first of all, let's talk about kitten season, what it is for those who don't know, and why ours is especially long here in Arizona.
Sure, Arizona has a perfect climate for these cats to breed, and so we highly recommend spay-neuter TNR efforts. And AHS is there to support the tiniest neonates that the community finds. So we just have so many kittens right now. Our areas have already served over 800 little kittens from newborn to 8 weeks old, and we expect to serve over 2,000 by the time the season is over. If you can imagine all those kittens lined up at your front door.
Oh my gosh, yeah, that is a huge, huge number, and all of these little animals deserve the absolute best care, the best homes, which is what you guys are out to do. So tell us about your new nursery that you guys have there.
Sure. Well, we're at our new Papago Park campus.
Yes.
And we're so excited. We have a bottle baby ICU that takes care of our kittens that are neonates to 4 weeks old. And then once they're eating on their own, they graduate into our kitten nursery.
Oh, that's great. The kitten nursery. That's so cute.
Yep, and they stay there until they're ready to be altered and go up for adoption. But as you can imagine, with all of those cats, we don't have quite enough room, so we're looking for an extra special support from the community.
Absolutely. Yeah, the community is definitely, here to step up and help out because there's a lot of kittens out there in need. I do have a question for you. For those who are out there who maybe they come across a stray family, some very, very young kittens, what's the best thing for them to do when they come across those little ones?
It's a great question, and we recommend don't kidnap kittens.
Okay.
So Mama's usually out foraging for food, and so we anticipate her to come back. If you don't see her for about 8 hours, that's when you can reach out to our Pet Resource Center, and they can provide you guidance. We also have lots of information on our website, azhumane.org, on how to handle those situations when you run across them. But staying with Mama is the best opportunity for these little ones.
Absolutely. That gives them the longest or the best opportunity to get through that really, really young age, because I think people think by taking them, they're maybe giving them a better chance, but actually it's best for them to just stay with Mom.
Yes, stay with Mom as long as possible. You know, it's great to put food and water out for Mom. She'll take care of her kittens. And then when they're about 6-8 weeks old, that's a great time also to reach out for support. We can help get them altered through our public clinics and through a lot of different areas that we have for support.
And that is the #1 thing, guys. I mean, I am a huge cat lover, and I understand that it can be a tricky thing to not want to catnap them or not want to help out in some way, but leave them there and then get them altered.
Yes.
That is the biggest #1 thing to avoid having an overpopulation, which is what unfortunately we are kind of facing right now. So Carrie, tell everybody at home how they can get involved, because I know you guys are always looking for support from the community, like you said, and in particular from fosters.
Absolutely. So with 2,000 kittens expected to come through the season, we don't have kennels to care for that many at any given time. And so we truly rely on the community to step forward and open up their heart and their home to these little ones. AHS will provide the supplies needed to care for these kittens, as well as the guidance and medical support. So it's really an amazing opportunity. If you're not sure if owning a pet is right for you, this is a great way to dip your toe in the water. Our foster heroes do get the first opportunity to adopt their foster pet. So if you fall in love, that's okay. We're there to support the whole way. So you can reach out azhumane.org/foster to get all of the information, sign up today. I mean, it truly takes an entire village to care for the cats that are coming through our doors.
It absolutely does. And you just mentioned the website there, so everybody who is interested can go to that website and check it out. What about these little guys that we have here with us, Tater and Tot? Are they ready for adoption or not quite yet?
Tater and Tot need a foster hero. We do see a lot of kittens come through, and some of them have upper respiratory, and so these guys guys are suffering from a little kitty cold, and so they're going to need lots of love and snuggles beyond some antibiotics for about 2 weeks before they're ready to go up for adoption. So if you're interested in fostering these beautiful little kitties, reach out to us today.
Okay, this is perfect. Carrie, thank you so much again. All that information is going to be there on the website, so you can go check all that out. And maybe you can foster these two little sweeties because they are the best. All right, thank you so much for being here.